Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious shrimp congee. First, rinse 1 cup of jasmine rice under cold water until it runs completely clear. This step is crucial for a smooth congee texture. Next, marinate the clean rice with a ½ teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Allow this mixture to rest for at least 30 minutes. This helps the rice break down faster during cooking, creating that perfect creamy consistency we all love. Now let's get that congee base cooking. In a large pot, bring 8 cups of water or chicken broth to a strong boil. Carefully add your marinated rice to the boiling liquid, giving it a good stir to ensure no grains stick to the bottom. Once it returns to a gentle simmer, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it cook for about 1 hour. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking and achieve a wonderfully creamy texture. With our congee base simmering, it's time to prepare the star ingredient, the shrimp. Take 1 pound of fresh shrimp, peel and devein them, and you can leave the tails on for a nice presentation. Marinate the shrimp with a pinch of salt, a dash of white pepper, and a few drops of sesame oil. In the last 5 minutes of the congee's cooking time, gently stir the marinated shrimp into the hot congee. They will cook quickly and perfectly. Finally, let's finish our delicious shrimp congee. Taste the congee and adjust the seasoning with a little more salt and white pepper if needed. For a burst of freshness and flavor, garnish each serving with finely chopped green onions, thin slices of fresh ginger, and a small drizzle of fragrant sesame oil. Serve your comforting shrimp congee immediately while it's piping hot. Enjoy this warm and nourishing meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.